The rise here over the next couple of days, in addition to a lot of creeks and streams in our region, as we are tracking some very heavy rainfall. The National Weather Service issuing a flood watch. It really extends all the way back into West Virginia and Ohio and parts of northern Kentucky, back into Arkansas, Oklahoma, and right through our region. So this encompasses all of southern Illinois and all of southeast Missouri, including the Boot Heel and a few counties as well into western Kentucky near the Ohio River. These are the areas we expect the heaviest rain to occur over the next 48 hours. 3 to 5 inches of rainfall expected, and you'll see in the orange color some of the heaviest is expected to fall across southern Illinois and southeast Missouri, especially in a line tonight from about Fredericktown through Murfreesboro to McLeansboro. We think that's probably where the heaviest rain is going to occur really over the next couple of days. Notice slightly less expected across western Kentucky, but a lot of dry time today. It's going to be a very warm day. We're already off to a very warm start this morning, but rain starts to really ramp up tonight closer to sunset and settles in through a good part of the overnight hours. And the highest threat for flooding actually occurs as we move into Friday afternoon and Friday evening, but then even a chance for a few stronger storms as the area of low pressure and the storm system itself gets a little closer to us. Stepping out this morning, first thing you'll notice is how warm it is. 61 in Mount Vernon, 64 in Poplar Bluff. We've got 65 in Carbondale, 65 also in Metropolis. So we haven't seen much rain overnight, but there's a lot of condensation on the roads, so a lot of wet pavement. Maybe your garage floor this morning is very damp, and that is of course a result of the warm temperatures early this morning. A warm front to our north producing some showers and storms northeast Missouri back into west central Illinois. Cold front draped back into parts of Kansas is going to work its way southward later on today. Notice most of the day is dry. We get into about the 4 o'clock hour, temperatures into the lower 70s, so a very warm day, but starting to see a couple of isolated showers developing near us. That boundary is going to work its way south and really stall out near the Ohio River late tonight. North of that front is where we are going to see some of the heaviest rain and possibly a few stronger storms as well. This is about 9 o'clock, watching a lot of those storms really building back into parts of Missouri and southwest Illinois. Could see an isolated strong storm with some small hail and some gusty winds later on this evening. Notice temperatures still in the upper 60s to about 70 in Kentucky. North of that front, we're going to be back in the lower 50s and hanging out there through a good part of the overnight hours. Boundary remains stalled out through a good part of the overnight, which means that the rain is likely to continue. We will see the rain lighten up just a bit during the day on Friday, but as the storm system itself approaches the region then Friday evening, here we go. Notice about 4 o'clock, watching more heavy rain developing in southeast Missouri, and then that spreads eastward. It's about 8 o'clock. That warm front will be a key on how far north the severe weather threat actually makes it, but watching a few storms developing near the Missouri-Arkansas line tomorrow evening. They quickly shift eastward, and some of those storms will be our severe weather threat as we move into Friday evening. So if you do have evening plans, prepare for some flooding rains and the possibility of a few stronger storms as well. By midnight, things finally start to quiet down. I mentioned the chance tonight for maybe an isolated strong storm or two, level 1 for us from the Storm Prediction Center later on this evening. The main threat's going to come tomorrow evening, though. A level 3 now into parts of western Kentucky, and a level 2 basically along and south of Route 13. Main threats would be strong damaging winds, some hail, possibly a brief spin up tornado, can't be ruled out Friday afternoon and Friday evening. But the biggest threat for most of us is going to be the very, very heavy rainfall, high flooding threat as we move into Friday especially. So some extremely heavy rainfall, significant flooding possible. A couple showers linger around into Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, the rain finally clears out. Sunday, I've taken the rain chance out of our forecast there. 61 degrees Sunday, 61 on Monday, and cooling back a few degrees towards the middle of next week. We'll drop back in the 50s with another couple of isolated showers on Tuesday.
Just be prepared, right?